Hello, beautiful people. Happy Thursday, November, what is today? November, oh gosh, the 9th, November the 9th. So I'm currently at my foot doctor's appointment waiting. Somebody's over there. I'm waiting to be called in. So I thought I'd bring you guys along for that. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you are doing well. It's so cold. It's 45 degrees, it's windy, and we had like a few sprinkles of that nature. But yeah, so I'm just gonna throw in some clips of my days. So keep watching, all right? I'm in here, guys. I'm in here. Y'all, I refuse. I am not getting that shot in my foot. I'm not getting that. It hurts so bad. These people would be laughing at me because I remember when that happened before I had got a shot in my heel. I was screaming so bad that the people, when I came out, they were just looking like, oh my God, that girl was in there screaming like that. It was like, I'm not getting no shot. I don't want to get it. I want to get it, but it hurts so bad. So I don't know. Since I got there, I forgot that you gotta wait till you hear something. I mean, feel something. Let me see. I don't feel nothing. Mm-mm.
So his back will start creeping up on you real shortly.
I don't know. I don't feel anything. Now that machine is on what number? 12 now. Oh my God, that feels so good. Y'all, this therapy feels so good. It's like on your pressure points. It feels so relaxing. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. I don't want to move. So just in case y'all can understand, it's these little tabs that's on the bottom of my heel, and then they put your foot in here, and then that machine there like makes your heel throb. Hey y'all, I'm back. Y'all, my foot feels so good. Oh, my heel feels so good. Good Lord. After that, he came in there and massaged my foot so good, y'all. I almost fell asleep. I was in heaven. I was in heaven, for real. I was in heaven. I know I was in heaven. I'm eating some strawberries. I'm actually headed to, y'all know I gotta go to that band's place today. Today, Thursday. I only know my guy's holiday, so even if I don't find nothing for myself, I can find something for other people. So we headed there. I'm gonna catch you guys there while I finish eating my lovely strawberries. Follow me on Simply Black Vegan because I did throw up a video. I actually did a 2-day vlog, y'all. Yeah, for Target and Audi. So check it out. Simply Black Vegan.
I'm supposed to stop, I can't because throw your diamonds in the sky, feel the vibe. The rock is still alive.
Y'all, they changed it up a little bit. Ain't that pretty in here? So they only got like one little section over here. Oh no, they made a lot of sections of bins. So, yep, I'm gonna keep, these are all the bins. So, I don't know what we looking for. We just looking. So here are all the bins, y'all. Don't know if I'm gonna get nothing. I think this stuff is like more than, I think this stuff is $2. I don't want to pay $2. We got shoes. These look comfortable. We'll keep looking, y'all. Y'all know me, I'm looking for house stuff. So I'm gonna see if they have any. Here's the Brooklyn and stuff. So let me keep keep searching. Y'all like these? I think these are really pretty. This color green and a velvet. Let me see what this brand is. I think it's oh no, it's Threshold. Can y'all see that? That's it right there. But you get two. I hope if they're $1 a piece, then I get them. If not, I ain't getting them.
You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby.
Yeah, y'all. I decided to stop at Home Depot because I needed. I don't know if you guys know or not, but I'm in need of another washing machine. The washing machine that I own is from 2006. It's a Maytag though. And, it's on its last leg, so I'm gonna come in here and see what they got. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for that. Okay? Let's get on in here. Oh my God, y'all look at that. For all y'all Christmas lovers, Home Depot got some stuff for y'all. That's real nice though, right there. Even if you don't put up a tree, I mean, whatever. Y'all, look at this. Are you kidding me? $14.98. That's all they want for this. I love this. Oh my gosh. I gotta stay focused. I gotta stay focused because I need a washing machine, and I'm hoping and praying I can find something worth the money, because I know if you get stuff from Lowe's and Home Depot, you'll be able to get free delivery if it's over a certain amount. So we're gonna go search our washing machines our washing machines and just see what we come up with. Okay. They got these, y'all, LGs. Somebody said LG ain't that great, but I'm gonna show y'all. This one here, this is a LG. I just like the size of it. It's so super small. It's so small. Look at that big thing. So let me go over here. See, I just want something regular like this. And see, it looks a little bit more compact to me. So let's keep on looking. I don't think these are Maytags. These are GE. Yeah, those are GE. Those are GE. So let me see if I can find a Maytag, y'all. All right, y'all. This is a Maytag. It is $4.48, and it was $7.99. So I don't think that's bad. And the front, I love this part that it comes up like that, like old school. So I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can find somebody and they can tell me a little bit more about it. Okay. So far, I see this one. Yeah, I found another Maytag for $6.28, and I like this part here. It has like, can you see it? Like soft clothes. That's pretty cool. So this is the only other Maytag I see. And then this one here, this one's $7.78. That is too high. I don't want to pay that much for that, but I'm gonna continue shopping, y'all. So quick update. As long as you spend $3.98 and it's not clearance, you get free delivery. So I don't think that's bad, y'all. So I mean, I'm gonna keep Home Depot in mind. But I wanted to show y'all. Can y'all see the Christmas stuff? Let me see if I can turn y'all around so y'all can see. Do y'all see all the Christmas stuff here? They putting all their Christmas stuff out already. Ain't that something? They can't even wait. It ain't even Thanksgiving yet. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go home, and then I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay. Hey y'all, finally home. It feels so good to be home. So I wanted to just show y'all really quick the Maytag washer and dryer set. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys today, right now. This is the Maytag washer that is here, and the only thing is like this peeling right here, but honey, this is from 2006. It's still pretty in good shape. It just doesn't spin. It does wash, but it doesn't spin like it should. So yeah, but we have the matching set here, and this is still in great shape. This lights up, and I love the fact that this has the it has a light in here, and then it has this at the bottom. This is better to have these in the bottom if you guys are interested in looking for a dryer or washer. No, I try not to get the ones with the little thing at the top, but that is my washer and dryer set. So I have to put up some dishes, y'all, and put some other stuff away. And then I'll probably show you guys what I got. And then I think I need to water my houseplants. But this is the day. I don't know if I showed y'all my outfit this morning, but this is my outfit of the day. I have this beautiful shirt on, and like my foot is wrapped up, y'all, with my little, they put this on here just to give it some, I don't know, I forgot what they said. They wrap it up so it can do, not sure, but let's get on into the video. All right, y'all.
Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe in me, don't you be like that? I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe in me, don't you be like that? I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. You won't go, you won't go, you won't go fooling me twice now, baby. You won't go, you won't go, you won't go, you won't go, you won't go fooling me twice. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe in me, don't you be like that? I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe in me, don't you be like that? I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah. You won't go fooling me twice now, baby. You won't go, you won't go, you won't go, you won't go, you won't go fooling me twice. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly.
All right, y'all, let me go ahead and get ready to show y'all what I picked up. It is currently like 4:30, y'all, and I never get a chance to be at home in my own peace by myself, where it's like just so quiet and I can just relax and focus on me. So I know it's 4:30, the sun getting ready to go down because I know it gets dark at about 5:30, and I might ride my bike, but in the meantime, I wanted to hurry up and bring y'all what I got. I had to make me some warm coffee. It's like, I think earlier it was it was 45, so y'all already know it's gonna got cooler. It's cold, so I just got a taste for some coffee. I just want to go in the back room, finish watching a movie back there, and just relax. You know how it is when it gets like this type of weather. You just want to be cozied up, you know, rustled up underneath the blankets and all that good stuff. But y'all, I only got 2 things from the bins, just 2. Now this is so funny because just yesterday, I kept saying I wanted another color in the bathroom as far as like hand towels. How come I found this hand towel, y'all? Look at this. Tell me, y'all, look at that. Y'all know that's my color. Y'all know I love this. So this is actually a Casaluna hand towel. I love it, y'all. It's just so pretty, the color, and it's so thick, and just the quality. Y'all know Casaluna expensive. This one towel costs like $14.99, and I'll prove it to y'all. Next time I'm in a Target, I'm gonna show y'all, unless they on sale. But I couldn't believe it. So this was $1. And let me hurry up because the heat about to come on. And then the other thing I got was this paper towel holder. They had a lot of these. So this is the Threshold Nandia basket napkin holder. So I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna put these, okay? So like I said, these are the only 2 items that I got. They're so nice. This color, y'all, just let me just show y'all this color. But what my plan for this here, let me turn some light on in case but we get discolorized. This plan for this, y'all, I just want to set it right here. I think that'll look nice right there, you know, with some let me know what y'all think. That'll look nice right there. I'm just gonna fold up some regular napkins and put it in there. But I thought that was really, really nice. And it's the color, y'all, of the bar stools. And it's the same color as this. And it matches the knobs and stuff like that. So, yeah. And then this, y'all, let me just show y'all. That's how I know this was supposed to be meant to be. Because, hold on, let me show you guys. Let me show y'all. So y'all know I have, do y'all see that? This is the only color. But look at that, y'all. Look how that looks with the up against the black. Let me just do it like that. That looks so good with the black. I'm not gonna put it there, but I would like to put it here just to have one, you know. Let me show y'all so y'all can see. And like I said, let me show y'all here. That is Casaluna, and then we're gonna end this video. So that's the brand, like I said, and this is what I want to do. I just want to hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, so I took the other one down and set it here, but look how rich that looks. I love that up against that black. So hopefully one day I'll find another one and it'll go along with my black and my white, but I love that color, y'all. So I'm gonna end this video right here. This is so, and it goes good with the statue. So guys, smash that like button if you enjoyed yourself today, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, y'all, always remember to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.